Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。And Alice， 你知道吗？这2个月啊，好多生日哦。
生日哦。
生日啊，哎，对。
当然都有你过生日。
哎，这2个月就要包很多这个礼物给大家，所以我想说，今天教这个字就是包 to wrap. Because recently I've been encountered with a lot of birthdays. A lot of my friends are having birthdays last month and this month. So let's teach you terms associated with wrapping. OK， 要把东西包起来啊，包装啊等等，好不好？
包，
哎，好像要吃包子了。
包
OK, that's to wrap. How about wrapping? 也就是说包装纸怎么说呢？
包装纸。
Okay, that's wrapping, gift wrapping, or any type of wrapping. Okay, but in general, 有的时候我们不是说一定要这个礼物才包装嘛，有时候买东西啦，或者是这个外带啊，包起来。Yeah, just wrap it up for me. How do you say that? 包起来。
包起来。
Okay, that means just to wrap it up. All right.
那海陆腔的包起来是包起来。
听起来好开心哦。好 that's to wrap it up in a different dialect. 包还有什么？哎，我刚刚讲到包子，对不对？
水饺啊。
还有水饺，包水饺。
Okay.
Let's teach you a term associated with wrap, but also with food, because I love food, and that is to wrap dumplings. Okay, 包水饺。
包水饺。
Again, 包 is wrap, 水饺就是水饺。That's rice dumplings. All right. 那我们来教大家怎么说。我们家会自己包水饺。Our family will wrap our own dumplings. 牙不下就是我们家。Our family, okay. 会自己要自己，对不对？会自己。Okay, we know how to do this ourselves.
包水饺。
Okay, that's wrapping dumplings. So the whole line all together.
牙不下会自己包水饺。
That means our family knows how to wrap our own dumplings, and we do that. So there you go. Let's review these terms. 包怎么说？包 that's to wrap. 包装 wrapping paper.
包装纸
And then to wrap it up. 包起来And wrapping dumplings or making your own dumplings.
包水饺
All right. 下次我们一起来包水饺好不好？
OK。
我现在听了好饿哦。That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
案子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.